yan, fresh na from the bath. I'm done na with my shower routine. So, unahin muna natin yung body care. Alam niyo naman kung gaano ako ka-addict sa skincare. But recently, I've been focusing on body care kasi na-achieve ko na yung clear skin. Charot. But our body needs some TLC din naman. Especially ako, I'm always traveling, outdoors, nasa beach. And so, exposed ako lagi sa sun, dagat, sa pollution. So, most of the time, yung skin ko very dry and flaky. Kaya I'm always on the lookout for some next level na body care products. Sobrang addict ko ngayon sa body care. And since mas need ng skin ko ngayon ng extra, ultra, mega care, so good thing na discover ko tong bago ng SNAILWHITE. This is their Glow Jelly Mask and Scrub. So, meron silang dalawang size. If you wanna try it out first, tapos meron silang mas bigger, mas tipid, mas malaki, mas tipid. This one, 50 grams lang, 159 siya. And yung 200 grams nila is 349 pesos. Available to sa Watsons, Lazada, and Shopee. So, unlike other scrubs, this one is 2-in-1 na. So, mask and scrub siya from the name itself, which is so convenient kasi 2-in-1 na siya. Hindi ko na kailangan ng extra product para mag-mask. And it's super effective. Both physical exfoliant, yung beads niya, bio beads, and chemical exfoliant na rin siya, which is yung pomegranate extract and yung AHA. Basically, what this does is exfoliate niya yung skin mo and ibabuff away niya yung lahat ng dead skin without disrupting your skin barrier. Ang bango, pang mayaman yung amoy niya. Ang sosyal yung amoy, gano'n. Pair ko siya with the SNAILWHITE Cream Body Wash na Deep Moisture. This one is 325, 500 ml na. Sobrang sulit niya for its price. At saka yung performance ng body wash na to, very luxe yung feel niya kasi sobrang iba yung foam niya. Kapag nilather up mo na, mafe-feel mo sobrang smooth, very luxe ang feel. It's so new to me. Sobrang nagustuhan ko yung feel niya. I really love this one so much. This is for my everyday use. It goes a long way. So, sobrang sulit niya. Sa laki niya, onting product lang kailangan mo, i-lather up na siya. Yun, madali lang siya mag-lather sa skin. So, ilo-lock in niya yung moisture sa skin mo and isa-soften niya rin. So, I've been using this for how many days na. And so far, I am loving it so much. No reaction, no anything. So, let me tell you, it's very addicting. Kasi my skin is very soft and smooth to touch. Para siyang bat ng baby. I swear, hindi ako nagbibiro. You can try it yourself. Maniniwala kasi sabi ko. And then, na-notice ko rin yung skin ko na parang mas naging glowy siya, mas buhay compared before. Kasi before, sobrang dull ng skin ko, parang ang dry-dry. As in, so yan, ito muna inuuna ko, yung scrub. Scrubby dub-dub, and then after I will leave it on for 5 minutes. Para ma-break down yung AHA, yung dead skin cells ko. For stronger and brighter exfoliation. Pero okay lang kung isa-skip mo tong part na to. If nagmamadali ka or wala kang time, you can just rinse it off and then you're good to go. Then, tsaka pa lang ako magbo-body wash. Ang bango talaga nito, I swear. Sarap niyang gamitin. Like, 3 times a day. I swear, amoy na amoy siya paglabas mo ng banyo. Of course, SNAILWHITE. Syempre, meron siyang snail potion. I love anything na merong snail sa ingredients kasi it's very hydrating and moisturizing, anti-aging. Meron din siyang baobab oil and glycerin. This one then, it provides a very long-lasting na moisture sa skin mo. Hindi katulad ng ibang body wash na parang saglit lang yung moisture and then after a long day, your skin feels super dry. This one, after a long day, same feels. Ganun pa rin yung skin ko. Parang mas hydrated siya, mas moisturized. Then, after I rinse it all off, yung skin ko parang ang smooth, soft. Parang paglabas ko ng banyo, parang ako nag-spa. Ganun yung feels niya. And then, amoy na amoy mo yung scent. Parang mas naging glowy yung skin ko after I used this. Mas nakita ko yung improvement niya compared sa ibang products na nagamit ko. Yun, feeling ko nga nagpapasalamat na sa akin yung body ko kasi mas binibigyan ko lang siya ng attention, ng love, ng care, sana all, diba? Charot! You can get this naman sa Watsons, of course, number 1, Shopee and Lazada. Wala lang, share ko lang. Pag akong kinaka-addikan ngayon. So, done na tayo with the TLC part. Now, let's move on to how I did my nails, my eyelashes, my brows, all that jazz. That girl summer vibes. So, not what you see. So, finally, it came in the mail today. So, ito yung gagawin natin ngayon. So, magla-lash lift tayo and the brow laminations. Ayoko ng eyelash extensions. Kasi very itchy siya kapag tumagal. Tapos, ang hirap maligo, ang hirap, you know, all that jazz. Papaduliin lang natin yung buhay natin. Less hassle. It's very easy. Saglit lang to. So, let's begin.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave.
So now it's the following day. Pinahinga ko lang muna siya since I'm gonna tint my brows. I have been doing this for a long time na, so safe naman. So far, so good. Nalinis ko na yung brows ko. Na-trim ko na. Hindi ko alam kung pantay sila, pero eyebrows are sisters, not twins. So, nalagyan ko na rin siya ng eyebrow pencil para yun yung guide ko. So, yeah, let's begin. Drop na ako ng onting powder and water. I'm gonna mix it well. And then, yun na, game na. Feeling ko, okay na siya. Pero tatanggalin ko na siya. Para hindi na ako mag-ayos ng brows. Eyebrow gel na lang. Para pagising ko maganda na ako. Char. Ganyan siya. So, yan yung kinalabasan niya. O, diba? Pakakagad ang eyelashes eh. Eyebrow. After that, mag-wax na ako ng kili. Kasi ang tagal ko na hindi nakapag-wax. Lagi akong epilator. So, i-wax ko siya para makinis. Sure. So for waxing, this is what I use. Parang ginagamit sa salon. It's very easy to use. Madali siyang gamitin kaysa yung sa Watsons na papainitin mo sa kalan. Delikado. So, I opted for this one. Ito lang yung kailangan mo at saka yung wax beads. Sobrang mura lang nito. So yan, what I do lang. Wala na kasi akong wax. Open this. Lagay ko yung half ng pack na to dito. So, so now, gagamit ako ng epilator. Galing ko na yung hairs ko. So what I'll do is, kuha lang ko ng BB powder and then lagyan ko lang yung buong body ko. Kapag exfoliate naman na ako, para matanggal yung dead skin cells. This is very easy to use. Napapalitan yung head niya. Pantanggal ng kalyo yung isang head. And then, may 2 mode siya. Gagamitin ko yung todo. Kita niyo ba? Tanggal agad. Hindi siya ganun kasakit. Siguro sanay na ako. Tolerable. Oh, ito na lang yung may buhok. Ito wala na. Masusundan ko lang yung direction ng head. Let it go. Char. Medyo may pinch sa ibang part. Pero kaya naman. Manhid na ako eh. Char. You see the diff? Namula siya. I don't know if you can see it, pero sobrang smooth lang. Pero ka nag-wax. So I'm done na with the messy part. Finally, I will able to do my nails. Ako lang yung gumagawa sa sarili kong nails kasi ang expensive pag papagawa pa ako sa iba. It's so easy to do. Bumili na ako ng sarili kong tools. Actually, matagal ko na ito ginagawa. Na-share ko na ito sa TikTok. Mura lang ng mga tools. Ito lahat ng gel polishes ko. Ang dami, diba? Na-addict na ako kakabili. Ang mura lang nila in fair. fairness, highly recommend kasi madali lang siyang gawin. Tapos, it lasts for at least a week or two. Depende kung lagi ka bang naghugas. Depende kung paano mo siya dinikit. Na UV mo siya na matagal. Have like a UV light, yung single, para mas madaling mag-glue. And then, yung panglahatan, kamay, nail cutter na malaki, acrylic cutter, I don't know what you call this. Acrylic glue, and then yung essentials, yung base gel, acid primer, and yung tempering top coat. Also, meron din akong cuticle oil. This one, sobrang lifesaver nito. Ito yung para mas madali kang makagawa ng French tip. And then I have brushes for nail art. Minsan pag sinipag ako, gagamit ko siya pero tinatamad ako. And meron din akong mga abubot, glitters, gems, all that jazz. Ito yung the best na nakita ko na acrylic. Sakto lahat sa kamay ko, sa size ng kamay ko, and ang dami niya. Madami siyang laman, as in, meron pa siyang lalagyan, which I like. And then for my UV protection, ito na yung ginagamit ko. UV protected na rin siya eh. So, yan. Yung Snail White na body booster. 30 SPF. Kung meron ako ng gloves like this, tinatamad akong gamitin eh. Parang ang kalat niya. Let's begin. It's so easy. Medyo time consuming lang siya, kaya minsan nakakatamad siyang gawin.
Oh yeah, this could all be over. We're not okay. Shattered glass everywhere. Tears of rage. Waiting for the rain to stop and take my pain away. Why'd you have to be that mean? Why'd you do me that way? We should know that we won't be any better. Can't you see that we are drifting apart? I am through trying to hold us together. I just want it to stop, want it to stop.
Okay, now let's proceed with the makeup. Finally, nakuha ko na yung shade ko. Kasi sobrang umitim ako, as in morena. Kumuha na ako ng kakulay ko, diba? Anyway, I'm gonna put on my contacts first. I'm gonna add lang a little bit of moisturizer. Okay, so I'm gonna start off muna with my brows. Isha-shape ko lang siya kasi may tint na siya, like, good morning, chart. I'm gonna secure my hair away. I'm gonna fill in lang some sparse areas. I have so many ganap next week. Kaya, nag-hot girl summer ako. Dapat maganda na agad. Since sa beach. So, pagising mo, ay, ganda na. Hindi na kailangan masyadong magayos. Right? Am I right? I'm gonna be using this, the Maybelline Matte Poreless Fit Me Foundation. Tama na po yung shade ko dito. 228. Soft tan. So, totoo na to. Tama na to. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna be using this, the Vice Cheeky Blush. Haven't used this in so long. Try natin siyang gamitin. I think I'm gonna use this na lang. I'm gonna contour. Basta a little bit lang. Yan, ganyan lang. Oh shit, I forgot to put concealer. Oh my god. Tagal ko nang hindi nakagamit ng Fit Me. Arerolet. So this is the Fit Me na powder foundation. Parang first time ko lang ito matatry. Oh, ganda. Finally, I'm gonna set my brows with the Easy and Cool. For bronzer, I'm gonna be using the Benefit Cooler Bronzer. For the blush, I'll be using this, yung Fit Me na naman. In the shade Rose. Ay, fresh lang. Just gonna go with the Maybelline Total Temptation na palette. And I'm gonna use this all over my eyelids. I'm just gonna use the shimmer, this one. Gonna do a little wing with the Maybelline line tattoo since I'm running out of liner stuff. We're almost done. Just gonna apply some mascara. We'll be using the L'Oreal Paradise Luminous Mascara. Favorite ko to as in. So, tingnan nyo yung difference. Ito lang yung problem ko when firming my lashes kasi kukulot yung dulo niya. Ito medyo pangat yung gawa ko dito kaya medyo ugly to pag nilagyan ng mascara. Kind of messy, but I don't care anymore. For my lips, I'll be using this lip liner from ETUDE House, my favorite. And then I'll be using the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in the shade Fighter. Sa inner lang. Pa-sweet lang ganun. Top it off with a gloss. So this is my favorite, yung Maybelline Lifter Gloss, the shade Stone. Glowy lang. Glowy arm. I'm just gonna use this highlighter. Oh my god. Super glowy naman. Going to fix my hair and the outfit and then I'll be back.
You make me feel that way. You have me in every way.
So this is the final look. I have been loving the eggnog hair for such a long time. Lagi ko na siyang ginagawa. Parang awkward length na kasi yung hair ko. This is the final look. Glowy lang. Clean. That's pretty much it. On a budget, hot girl summer, bikini ka lang and all, you're ready to go. You're so hot na, char. I had so much fun filming this. Very time consuming, but is ganda lang tayo. Ayokong gumastos ng OA just to feel pretty. But wala namang masama doon. If doon kayo masaya, go. Pero yeah, ito lang. Ganito lang, masaya na ako. Anyway, I hope you guys did enjoy watching this video. Let me know what you want to see next on my channel. Don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts, always a link down below. And yep, I'll catch you guys again on my next one. Bye! Peace!
You